Hey, son, you're here. I was thinking about something today. I know you are growing up and you have your own life now, but I really want to spend some time with you. We don't talk much these days, and when I see you, you are always on your phone or thinking about something else. I was wondering if maybe today we could go out together, just you and me. Like before, we could go to the movies or play something or even just walk and talk for a while. Whatever you want. That, I don't know. Um, I'm not really in the mood today. I feel tired. And honestly, I just want to stay at home for a bit. School has been stressful and I don't feel like going out right now. Maybe another day. Come on, we can have fun together. Like the old times, son. What old times? That I don't want. I feel tired. Sorry. I understand. I understand that you are tired, but you are always tired when I ask you to do something together. Look, son, I don't want to force you, but I really miss you. When I come home from work and see you in your room, I I feel like I don't know you anymore. I just want one simple moment with my son. Nothing big, nothing expensive, just time. We can do something together. That it's not that I don't like you, that it's just, to be honest, I don't I don't really enjoy those things anymore. Going to the movies with you feels awkward, and walking around talking feels strange. I don't know what to say, and I feel bored sometimes. I know that sounds bad, but that's how I feel. I can't hide it. So that's how you feel. It hurts to hear that, but I prefer honesty. But maybe we can do something you like instead. Like we can go shopping or eat something you like or play a game together. I'm open to ideas. I just don't want to stay at home doing nothing while you grow more distant every day. Please understand that I already made plans with my friends. They are waiting for me. We are going out, and I don't want to be late. They understand me more. And with them, I feel comfortable. I don't have to explain myself all the time. So, your friends come first. Now, I see. I understand. I understand that they are important to you. But I am your father. I think I'm not asking for much. Just one afternoon. That's all. One small part of your day. Is that really too much? Tell me. I'm sorry, Dad, but yes, right now it feels like too much. I don't want to go out with you today. That's the truth. Sorry. Maybe later. Maybe another time. I have to go now. Okay, go then. I don't want to stop you. Just be careful. I'll be here. I don't understand when everything changed. I worked so hard for this family. I gave him food, clothes, a house, gifts, education. I thought that was being a good father. I thought that was enough. But now the house feels empty, even when everyone is here. I feel like I lost something important, and I don't know when it happened.
Why are you standing here alone? You look tired and sad.
Hi, honey. Well, I tried to go out with him again. I asked him to go to the movies, to walk, to spend time together. He didn't want to. He made excuses and left with his friends. I don't understand. I've always been a good father. I worked every day for him. I gave him everything.
Yes, you worked hard. You provided for this family. And I will never deny that. But being a good father is not only about money or work. Let me ask you, do you remember when he was a little boy? Do you remember how he used to wait for you at the door every day?
Of course, I remember. He was always smiling. He always wanted to talk.
Yes, of course. He always wanted to play with you. He asked you to go to the park, to play games, to watch cartoons with him. And do you remember what you always said?
I said I was tired or busy or that I had work to do.
Exactly. Every time he tried again and again, he waited for you. And every time you said no, a small part of his heart broke. He stopped asking slowly. He learned to live without you. Now he's a teenager and his world is different. His friends are there for him now because you weren't when he needed you the most. That's the truth.
I never wanted to hurt him. I thought I was doing the right thing. I thought I could have more time later, but I was wrong.
Children don't understand later, they only understand now. And now you are the one waiting. I know you regret it. I see it in your eyes. But if you really want to fix things, you need to show him that you are serious, not just with words, but with actions.
What can I do? He doesn't want to be with me.
I will talk to him. I will ask him to give you one opportunity, just one. Don't waste it. I will convince him. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you, honey. I hope he wants. I'll wait here. Hey, Dad. Dad, Mom talked to me. And well, I see. You don't have to say anything if you don't want to. That's okay. She told me everything about when I was a kid, about how I wanted to play with you all the time. I remember those days. I remember waiting for you and feeling sad. I'm not motivated to go out with you now. I won't lie, but I promised my mom I would give you one chance. Thank you for being honest. That means more to me than you think. I'll go to the movies with you, but only if we watch a movie that I like, not one of those old movies you always choose. Agree? That movie is not really my style. Why don't we better watch a movie, we'll watch the movie I choose. If you don't want to, that's okay. No, it's okay. We'll watch your movie. I don't care about the movie. I care about you. This time, I want to do things right. Let's go. Okay, then. Let's go. Don't make me regret this, please. Thank you, son. I won't make the same mistake again. I promise.